How to manage notifications on Alibaba.com app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage notifications on Alibaba easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So first thing, go to the app, and this is the home page as you can see. Now go down here and click on my Alibaba in the down below. Now go to the top and click on the flag option right here, and it will take you to this page. Now click on notifications. Now as you can see from here, you can manage notifications easy and fast. You can turn off as you can see, or turn on anything you want here. For example, chat messages notifications, promotions notifications, and alert sound, vibrate, a lot of options right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.